Hey guys, it's your girl Sharnice, and today I'm doing a hot oil treatment. So as you can see, my hair is pretty dry and it needs some TLC, something more than just wash day and conditioner. So I'm going to be using my Therapy by J oils to do a hot treatment oil on my locks. So this right here is an empty bottle that I have, and I'm adding the daily essential oil to that bottle. I'm also adding the dry scalp treatment oil, and lastly I'm adding the growth oil. All of these oils are really great. They have essential oils in them and carrier oils that give that perfect combination for hair growth and stimulation. So I have a bowl here where I'm heating up the oil, and then I'm going to add it to a spray bottle so that I can apply it evenly. So yeah, here you'll see that I'm just applying the hot oil to my scalp. And it feels so good. It's so like all of that, the tea tree oil and the peppermint oil, all those essential oils that are in here are really soothing my scalp, and I can just feel it kind of activating and stimulating my scalp. So it feels great. And it's nice and warm, and the castor oil and other carrier oils are really nourishing and conditioning. So this felt really good, and yeah, the results were great. So now I'm just covering my hair with a plastic bag because I have things to do around the house. So I'm not going to sit under a dryer, but the oil is hot and the plastic bag is going to help trap in that heat. And then on top of the plastic bag, I'm going to be using my wrap towel from Peculiar Roots to seal in even more heat. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm not sure if I tied it correctly, but it's great because it has a little like elastic that you can clip to the button on the back. And now I'm waiting. All right, so it's been 30 minutes and I rinsed my hair with some cool water to really lock in that moisture from the oils. And guys, I am so happy with the results. My hair is so conditioned and nourished, and look at that movement. There's so much more movement. So yeah, I hope that you guys can do hot oil treatments to restore your hair sometime soon. And yeah, Therapy by J oils are great. So I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.